All right, guys, welcome to DIY Mitch's YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I made a video, and it seems like I always miss opportunities to make some halfway decent videos for you guys. But I think I got one here this time that I'm going to show y'all, and it's almost a missed opportunity, but I'm going to just go ahead and try to get this one out there and tell you what I did and how I did it. And I'm actually going to pull cans out of the trash can to show you how I did it, because I decided to make the YouTube video after the fact. So let's get it on. All right, so right here is my crock pot, and it is loaded down with some of the best lip smacking chili you will ever have. It's the best chili you'll ever smack your lips on, and it is so easy to make. And I'm going to pull the cans out of the trash can. I'm going to show you exactly how I made it. But first, I wish we had smell-o-vision, smell-o-tube, YouTube. But y'all look at this right, y'all. Y'all look at this chili right here. The crock pot is full. It's on high, and I'm going to leave it here for about 3 or 4 hours. And let me tell you something. At the end, when it sits here all day, it's going to be even better. But let me show you how I made it. Let's get right into it. Y'all look at this right here. It is so good. In fact, I'm gonna have. It's not even hot yet, but I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's the best. Let's get it on. I'm gonna show you exactly what I put in it. It's so easy to make. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. I'm actually gonna pull the cans out the trash can and show you what I put in this chili. It is so easy, you won't believe it. All right, guys, just like I said, I literally took everything out of the trash can. The only thing I didn't take out of the trash can that I used was sausage. So just a tube of sausage from the grocery store. I didn't take that out because it was too nasty. We already threw it out anyway. All right, so it's the day after Christmas. Hope you guys had a wonderful Merry Christmas. We sure did. So let's get into all the things I used and how I prepared my chili. So I used about 1.5 pounds. Yes, a large 1.5 pounds of hamburger. Get the hamburger from Costco, and we subdivided it up and put it into Ziploc bags. First ingredient, hamburger meat, ground beef. Then the second ingredient, like I said, was just a little tube of Jimmy Dean sausage. Any kind of sausage you like. You can put maple sausage in it. Any kind of sausage you want. Throw some sausage in there. And then 2 onions. And all you want to do is you want to brown your hamburger meat, your ground beef, and your sausage and your onions in a frying pan, just like you was making, I don't know, spaghetti or making anything else with ground beef. Do your ground beef, do your sausage, and do your onions. Brown it in a pan. Cook it real good. Cook however you like. Burn a little bit. I might have burned a little bit, but when you put it in the crock pot over here, you're not going to tell it was burnt. All right. So let's see. Let's go through the list of items I had to pull out of the trash can. This is all the items I put into this crock pot right there. So full crock pot of chili. It's almost loaded to the brim. See that right there? All right. So let me set y'all back down right here. All right. So light red kidney beans, candied kidney beans from Harris Teeter. I'm not going to do these in any kind of order. I'm going to just show you what I put in here. It's like super easy to make. You just throw everything into the crock pot. Then you throw your hamburger meat and your browned hamburger meat with your sausage and your onions. Just throw it on top and mix it up. Some can of diced tomatoes. I think these came from Aldi. So basically, I mean, what I'm trying to say here is you probably already got the stuff in your cabinet, right? So, you know, whatever you need to get rid of, chili's the best way to do it. Another can of diced tomatoes from Harris Teeter, right there. And then a big old can of, this is a 29-ounce can of just straight up Hunt's tomato sauce, or any kind of tomato sauce, but it's got to be tomato sauce. All right, here's the secret. Well, here's my secret. Some Bush's baked beans, and you can do the maple, original, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. However you want it to taste. I mean, by the time you mix it all together, it's going to taste like chili. You're not going to taste the individual, you know, whether it's original or maple or bacon. It's not going to make any difference. It's going to taste like chili, right? So basically, it's just throw it in the crock pot. I guess this is another little secret. The Rotel mild diced tomatoes or green chilies. So you already got some green chilies in there, right? Okay. When I get to this, I'm going to tell you what the trick to this chili is. There's a trick to making good chili, and you're probably not going to really, well, you may think what I'm going to say, but then again, you may not. But I'm going to tell you the trick to good chili. All right, so the Rotel, and then another can of mixed chili beans. So this has got the pinto and kidney beans in it. So you got to have beans and chili, man. You know, you gotta have beans and chili. Okay. Oh yeah, and put a tablespoon of garlic in there. This comes from Kirkland. This is just the garlic in a bottle right here. You get it at Costco. Okay. This time I kind of wanted to cheat, and so I went ahead and got some McCormick original chili seasoning. Now, a couple of times prior to this one, I made my own. You know, I put my chili powder, my cumin, my other spices in there, salt, pepper, and I kind of, you know, made this up. I mean, you can read the ingredients on the back of the thing, tell they're in there. I just want to throw it in there and make it easy. Okay, that's all in. That's everything that is in this crock pot right here. That is my chili. So the secret to making good chili, don't make it spicy. Now, if you're trying to win some kind of chili competition where you got grown people eating chili, you know, that's used to eating spicy stuff, by all means, hey, more power to you. But if you want a chili that's going to win over the family, it's going to win over friends, it's going to win over everybody, make a chili that is not spicy. And that's basically what I do. Just make a chili that won't burn up grandma and grandpa and the kids when it, you know, they down it. You want some chili that's going to get gone from this crock pot. And I can guarantee you this chili right here, it will get gone from the crock pot. Now, for those of you who want some spicy chili, here's what I got for you. So instead of putting it in your chili while you know, marinating it in the crock pot, heating it up, you know, you can take some of this Melinda's fire roasted garlic and habanero, throw that on top. There you go. Boom, you got your spicy chili. Or better yet, you can get some of this fire roasted jalapeno. I mean, you can go ghost pepper if you want to. There you go. There's your hot chili. Me, I like the old Texas Pete hot sauce. Best thing ever. We got a couple of folks who like really, really spicy stuff and they want the legit thing. Hey, take you a bottle of this jalapeno slices. Throw that in there, boom, you got you a spicy chili. Now, one thing we like to do is we like to take some cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese here. You shred cheese, I can't even think straight. You shred the cheese, boom, top it off on your chili. And then if you really want to get rid of the chili, take your chili and put it in some scoops. There you go, guys. That's how you make chili. Everybody tear it up. You can get rid of what you got in the pantry. It'll be the best thing ever. Kids will eat it. The adults will eat it. The old folks will eat it because it ain't going to burn up their stomach. There you go, guys. Well, I hope this helped you. If it did. All right, guys. So if you love this recipe for DIY Mitch's chili, leave me a comment down below. Give me a sub. Let me know what you thought about the chili. If you did, maybe I'll make some more of these easy to do recipes for you and show you what we make as a family. And we have a rotation. We have certain things we rotate out and make it easy. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, peace out.